Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to create cost center in Tally. Cost center in Tally.ERP9 refers to an organizational unit to which cost or expenses can be allocated during transactions, while the cost category is used to accumulate cost or profits for parallel sets of cost centers. For example, you can use cost center to track expenses of each employee, while cost category can be used to see the effectiveness of each project. Now let's see scenario where cost center can be used. So we have created one table, and for creating these table entries in our Tally, we need lots of ledgers. For example, there are certain departments in particular organization like account department, admin department and sales department. Each department have particular expenses like conveyance expenses, salary expenses and mobile expenses. So to maintain the particular department's expenses, we have to create ledgers. So we have to create first admin ledgers, and for admin ledgers we have to create expenses for admin ledgers, and in expenses for admin ledger we have to create conveyance expenses, salary expenses and mobile expenses ledgers. So for particular one department there are lots of ledger is there, and it create burden on Tally operator, and it is very much complex. So what is the solution for this scenario or this problem? Tally provides very much interactive and very useful facility or features to maintain these type of expenses, and it is called cost center. So by using the cost center we have to create only 3 ledgers for particular expenses. For example, accounts or any. So first find out the particular expenses that are common to each department. I have found 3 expenses which are common to account department, admin department and sales department, which are conveyance expenses, salary expenses and mobile expenses. After that, create that common expenses ledgers. So create conveyance expenses ledgers, salary expenses and mobile expenses ledgers. And after that we can create cost center, and we can make entry for that cost center, and we can see much interactive reports for that cost center, and process of allocating the expenses will be easier using the cost center. So for example, if you want to track the account department's expenses, then you can track very easily. If you want to track what is the conveyance expenses of particular month for account department, then you can directly see the 1500 is the expenses of conveyance, and you can also see the total expenses of month or any year. So this is the cost center concept in Tally. We will see one example of cost center in next tutorial. Thank you.